In this video, I'll show you how to set up Notion daily. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your Notion. So what this actually means is you being able to have everything you need to do in a day, from a day to a week or a month. So how do I mean? You're going to be able to schedule your activities. So go to this browse template for you to be able to plan what you need to do throughout a week. That is basically a simply to-do list. So tap on this option. So we have a simple to-do list here. So right here, you can be able to see what you need to do daily. So I've added up this template. So I'm going to go back and show you how it actually looks like. It's very, very wonderful. So from anything you need to do, you can see, you can just edit it here, Tuesday. So you can come on and add up as much as possible. You can just go and type go shopping, visit family. So like what you need to do daily is already here for you. You get? So whatever you need to do daily is already here for you actually. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you share this video. I'll see you in the next one.